This is my brother Wayne.
Yeah.
Just in case I didn't give him this formal introduction.
Not bad to use a little bit more sugar. I'm not really a sugar person.
You like coffee with your sugar?
Yeah, I like coffee with my sugar.
Switch up and start using turkey bacon and leave that pork bacon alone.
Pork ain't no good for you, no way.
Eating that cat, rat, and dog.
Shalom.
Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Today I made a breakfast taco.
Sure did.
I did turkey bacon, eggs, and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And we're getting ready to sample.
We're gonna sample
And
this.
see what it be about.
Let's do it.
Alright.
Okay, which one is which?
Both of them is the same.
Oh, okay. Taste them up. Let me give it a taste. Yeah, boy. Mm.
Wait a minute.
I've never had a breakfast taco before.
Um,
Mm-mm. It's pretty good.
You think this is the closest we ever get to Mexico?
Probably because I ain't trying to go. Not even for vacation. As far as Mexico is concerned, this is it. To you, Viva la Mexico.
Las Palalolos, El Squanto, Curosos.
Mañana. Mm-hmm. So what possessed you to cook a meal such as this?
Because I was hungry. And I had that turkey bacon sitting in the refrigerator for about a week.
Did you?
Yeah, it's cured. I seen it at the it's Aldi, and what's the other one? Lidl's.
Yeah, Lidl.
Cured turkey thighs. I said, I want to try some of that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right. Whip some eggs up. Got some flour tortillas.
Mm-hmm.
Got that bacon.
Yes, you do.
And I got that Mexican four cheese on it.
Oh, is that what? That's what Mexico.
Mexican
That's
four
what
cheese.
Viva la Mexico.
Viva la, Viva la Mexico.
What kind of grapes are these?
I guess they consider white grapes if you make a wine out of them.
Yeah. Well, that's a good accent of the breakfast taco.
It really does.
Nice, sweet,
Mm-hmm.
fresh.
Yeah. Mm.
And as you can see, my brother likes them straight off the vine. Straight off the vine. You know?
Mm-hmm.
If this was be sitting on the tree, he go right up under there and
Right
be like,
there, grab it. And I tried, this came from the Dollar Tree people. This is iced latte, chilled coffee drink, mocha chocolate. No, I mean just mocha.
oh, just mocha.
This is mocha, not mocha chocolate.
No mocha chocolate.
Just mocha.
Just mocha.
I'm not a coffee drinker. My dad and Wayne is.
Yes, I'm actually a coffee connoisseur.
Oh, okay. So
Mm-hmm.
I'll taste it first and then you tell me
All
what
right,
you
yeah,
think
let me
about.
give it. So I'm gonna give this a taste. I drink coffee. I drink it every day. I'll see how it tastes. It's not bad if you use a little bit more sugar. I'm not really a sugar person.
You like coffee with your sugar, huh?
Yeah, I like coffee with my sugar.
Yeah.
I don't like sugar, but when it comes to my coffee, I got to have it in there. Other than that, it's a very good drink.
I taste the cream or whatever that is in cream milk, whatever. And the coffee don't really overpower the flavor of the drink.
Is this coffee or is this a coffee?
Oh,
flavored
yours is
drink?
different. What kind is yours? Show
I
me
think
yours.
this is a coffee. I don't even think this is actual factual coffee.
What is it?
I think this is like a coffee drink.
You got caramel.
Coffee flavored drink.
I got flavor drink. Okay, you got caramel. I got the
But it tastes okay. It just needs to me, it's just not sweet enough.
Now, what about if you made coffee raw, or right out the pot, and then pour this in it
Now, there you go.
for like the cream or something?
Mm-hmm. That would work.
Make sure you smash that like button.
Smash the likes.
Subscribe to Curtis Roundtree TV.
Subscribe.
Leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking.
True.
And share this video with your friends so they can enjoy some of this good food too.
Mm-hmm.